Everywhere you look on TikTok and on YouTube, you see nonsense. Nonsense telling you how passively income Amazon FBA is. Being someone that's been selling for 4 years, and at the time of doing this video, the month before last, which was December, big month for us, did 135,000 in sales and tens of thousands of pounds net profit on that month. I want to tell you the reality of it, because it frustrates me when it shouldn't, because there's a lot of really good intentioned people that talk about Amazon out there, but there's a lot of bad people as well. And it's not nice when it impacts the good people. So I'm going to tell you the reality of selling on Amazon and the reality to all of this nonsense that you're seeing. So anyone that clickbaits you into saying, I easily made X amount running down B&M doing retail arbitrage, or I easily made £1 million from my private label product with 1 hour a week or something like that, is 99.99% of the time absolute nonsense. And most of these people are trying to siphon you into their funnel so that they can upsell you their ebook course, mentoring, whatever it is. Okay. Now, let me be clear again. There's a lot of good mentors and people I know in this space, but unfortunately there's some bad ones. And that's who I'm referring to. Most people that you see that are big influencers in the Amazon space, once again, most, not all, most, don't actually sell that much. And believe it or not, some of them sell nothing. They are failed sellers. Okay? If you see someone that their full focus is doing Amazon content and they put a lot of work into it and the production of it is extremely high, it's more than likely the chances are that they make their money from the courses and not the actual selling. And that's just the truth. Okay? Now, if someone does both, if they're genuinely selling loads and have got the time to be a full-time Amazon content creator that is like the highest quality, pumping out video and video and video, I'd like to know who they are. But I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone that's got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers and does it in a big way and also is a really big seller. What usually happens is that they have no success, but they have success from their ad revenue from YouTube and all that sort of stuff. Instead, so they start to pursue that and do a tiny bit of Amazon selling to think they can keep the credibility, or they do no selling at all. And that's just the truth. And then there's some other people that they will try and make it sound better than it actually is. And once again, full transparency this is, guys. They try and make it sound better than it is. And most of these people are trying to get you into their Discord to deals from them, or selling you deal sheets, or once again all the courses and stuff. And there's just a lot of bullshit around it. It's not a video that I wanted to do, but it's true. And it has to be said. So you got to watch yourself.